Ram 2500 HD 6.4 liters. This is what it sounds like before. Too quiet. Check it out, guys. It's all the way from Gallup, New Mexico. They did a really good job of making it quiet, as you guys can see. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 88. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna do a Flowmaster Outlaw on it and resonator delete and 5-inch dip. Look at the big boy, 2016 Ram 2500 HD 6.4 liters of raw beast power. Anyways, what we got done on it? Factory converter somewhere else. Right there. Then it winds into a single there. I don't know why Dodge does that. It needs to be cut off and ran through those. But anyways, because it like restricts it so bad. Look at that. You guys didn't know. It really like, this one's flowing perfectly and then the other one, it just goes tinier and tinier. I don't know. I don't get it. Anyways, then winds into a single 3.5 inch. And what we did is install the Flowmaster part number 15430S right there. Be a link in the description for it. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Flowmaster Outlaw. Deleted the muffler, as you guys can see. And we had to add a massive, about 1.5 foot of pipe. Then it continues the 3-inch pipe out the back. Then we cut the resonator off also and ran 3-inch pipe in its place into a beautifully black polished 5-inch roll tip right there. So there's the resonator that was on it with the tailpipe, and there's a gigantic muffler that was on it that we took off also. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you hear, and like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That looks so much better than this. Don't you guys agree? I don't know why all of them don't come with tips already. Woo! Nice. That's what a Ram should sound like. Nice deep idle. 86 at idle. Listen to that thing roar, man. Wow. Oh. Loud environment. My watch says it. Loud environment. Sound decibels. Again. That peak it hit 119, guys, earlier. 117. HD. Don't tell me, guys, it's cold start. It's just really cold today. Tennessee weather, you can never predict it. Let you guys hear on the inside.